Good morning, students. In our this class, we are starting the topics mole concept and molar mass. Two topics we discuss: mole concept and molar mass. What is this word mole concept? Is some terms like dozen. The meaning of this. What is the meaning of this dozen? Dozen means 12. It is a group of 12 articles. Same like we have another term score. It is term as 20. We have another term groups for 144 articles. It is 144 articles. So all these three terms are used for the group of the articles. And similarly, in the subject of chemistry, where we study about the different chemicals, and we have to deal with different particles like atom, molecules, ions there. So these all the particles when they are present, all these particles when they are present, they present in a very large amount, and it is not possible to count them. So for the experimental studies, we take a definite amount of these particles, and they are known. This amount is known as 6.022 into 10 raised to power minus 23. This definite amount of particles is considered as mole, and it is also known as particles Avogadro number. That is Avogadro number, in which in the meaning of this, in 1 mole quantity, the number of particles is equal to 10 raised to power minus 23, and that is Avogadro number. So this is the mole concept we have. Now, what is the use of this mole concept there, and what is the use of this concept in a practical study or experimental study? We have a diagram there. In this you have, that is the number of moles. This is number of moles there. Now if we want to convert this number of moles into the number of particles, then what we do? Number of moles when multiplied by the Avogadro number Na. When number of moles multiplied by Avogadro number Na, then they get converted into the number of particles. The second thing, where number of particles get divided by the Avogadro number, they convert into the number of moles. Second conversion we have there, we have number of moles, and if we want to convert this number of moles into the volume, or we want to find out the volume from the moles, then what we have to do? We have to multiply the present quantity of moles by 22.4, so that these moles will be converted into the volume. And reverse of this, if we are given the volume and we have to convert this volume into the number of moles, we have to convert the volume into the number of moles, then we have to divide this volume by the 22.4. In the third condition, we have mass of substance there, we have moles there. What kind of interconversion between them? Number of moles. When number of moles are multiplied by their given molar mass. Number of moles are multiplied by their given molar mass. We get the mass of substance. What we get? We get the mass of substance there. In another conversion, when mass of substance is converted into the number of moles, then what we do? We divide by the mass of substance by the molar mass. So this is the interconversion of these species. Once more we divide this. अगर आपको नंबर ऑफ मोल्स को किसमें चेंज करना है, पार्टिकल की नंबर में चेंज करना है, तो आप क्या करेंगे, यू मल्टीप्लाई बाय Avogadro number Na. If you have to convert particles into moles, you have to divide by Avogadro number. If you have to convert moles into the volume, then you have to divide by 22 multiply by 22.4. If you have to convert the volume into the moles, then you have to divide this value by 22.4. Here we have number of moles, and when we divide this number of moles, have to convert in mass, then we multiply this number of moles by the molecular mass, and if we have to convert mass into the moles, we have to divide this quantity by the molar mass. So this is the graphical representation of this. If we have written 1 mole of hydrogen atom, 1 mole of hydrogen atom, 1 mole of hydrogen atom. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this, how many atoms of hydrogen present in this quantity. It is equal to the Avogadro number Na. It means 0.6002 into 10 raised to power minus 23 hydrogen atoms are present there. Hydrogen atoms are present there. And similar for anything like 1 mole of electrons, 1 mole of electrons. What is the meaning of this? 1 mole of electron has 6.022 into 10 raised to power minus 23 electrons are present in this. So this is the mole quantity which we have, and now we have a very simple question related to this particular mole concept. We will solve this question on the board. Now see what is this question is, how many molecules and atoms of sulfur, question, how many molecules and atoms of sulfur are present in 1 mole, present in 0.1 mole, present in 0.1 mole of S8 molecule. S8 molecule. S8 is a molecule of sulfur in which 8 atoms of sulfur are present. Now how we solve this? You know, 1 mole of S8 molecule has 6.022 into 10 raised to power minus 23 molecules. So 0.1 mole mole of S8 molecule has, we have to just multiply this quantity by 0.1 and the present quantity we get is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 22 quantity we have in this 0.1 mole. One molecule of S8 contains, now for the atoms, one molecule of S8 contains 8 atoms. So when we have 8 atoms there, now what we have to do? Six point 022 into 10 raised to power 22 molecules of S8 has the atoms, and they are 6.022 into 10 raised to power 22 into multiplied by 8. We have to multiply this by 8 and 4.816 multiplied by 10 raised to power 23 atoms there. So this kind of questions we have. Now we write one more question in this. One more question, that is number of moles of iodine, number of moles of iodine, number of moles of iodine in a sample